subscribe, like and subscribe. Don't hesitate to press that button. Look, I'm telling you, press the button. You keep watching, press the button.
Press the goddamn button.
Press the goddamn button.
You heard what she said.
Welcome back. All right, today I'm outside my shop once again, and shop's coming along, but I gotta get these materials out here. This sheetrock for shop lounge. This the plywood for the kitchen, outdoor kitchen I'm building. Then I got other stuff I gotta put up. This the outdoor grill to go for the outdoor kitchen. Oh, this your next video. This is the brake rotors and brake pads. As a matter of fact, for some reason, I could have sworn all this ceramic. This don't look like ceramic brake pads. I might have to order some more brake pads. But those are the next things coming. So I'm trying to get all this wrapped up, get all this stuff going, get stuff moving in here. Cause I got stuff to organize straight there. Cause I definitely want y'all to see the outcome of how this shop gonna look once we really start getting things moved around here. I'm gonna get the whole floor done. You know, I ain't gonna tell you everything I got in store, but y'all will see. Anyway, for this video, I got these cuts. I drew all my cuts out already. And these are the cuts I have to make out of this wood. Notice the only thing that I did since the last part 4 video is I came back and I made the cutout fit for the outdoor grill that you've seen in the garage already. So these are the dimensions that I have to have. I'm not putting a butane burner under there. I'm not doing all of that. So I mainly got to focus on having these cutouts up here, and that's what this is up here. All the test fit the grill drop right in there perfectly, and it's going to be even tighter once I put the frame boards on. It's going to close up a little, about a 1/4 inch gap I have on each side, which that's the way I wanted it. That way it's gonna fit in there nice and snug. Okay, this is the front piece for the left side. I'm not gonna attach this yet because I gotta cut the door in here. I got the metal outdoor doors that you put and they sit nice and flush. So I gotta add those cutouts to these before I attach them. And same for this side. I'm gonna have a double door here, and I'm gonna have a double door here. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue around and finish closing all of this up, and we'll be good. Yeah. Alright, so all the cutting, I'm pretty much done with it for now. I'm gonna come back, do some more cutting. Cut 2 small pieces. I'm gonna cut this little piece later, and I'm gonna end up cutting this piece later for this little backsplash area. I'm not gonna put these on, like I said. I gotta cut some doors in these. I'm gonna get the doors measured, cut. It'll be easier while they're out, and then to get the doors cut, I'll come back, staple them, knock them on, whatever. Then I come back through here and I put screws on everything and screw everything down. Where's my top though? These dirt daggers are serious. So, like I said, come back here, tack everything down and put some screws in there, make it all tight, solid. Then put a little sealant coat on there, and then we come back again, and I think I'm gonna put the stone in between the stone look, like the faux stone, and cover it with stone. That way I get the outside and get the granite countertops on here after I get them measured, cut, and then that's what we be on in practice. So, man, this thing taking shape. Okay, so these are the stainless steel doors. They're gonna go on the front of both of those. Alright, we're coming right along. So now, the main thing I need to focus on next is getting that, probably gonna do faux stone and get the fake stone of them and get that cut, trimming the outside. Once I get that done, I'm gonna have to come back with the countertops and I'm gonna probably get granite. I am gonna get granite. So I gotta get the cabinet people to come out and measure the countertops, or the granite people, measure the countertops and do the cutouts for all the appliances or whatever. That's gonna go in the stove, the outdoor grill, and then of course I'm putting the sink in. I'm gonna do the piping in between. I got most of that already mapped out. Gotta do that too. And then shoot, we pretty much be close to narrowing it up. I'm actually thinking about freaking doing stone on this whole back wall. Making this all stone and this all stone. What y'all think? Yeah, I might end up doing stone, or I might want a different look. I might change it up. So let me know y'all recommendation, man. Let me know what y'all think, cause I'm still in between of it. Go ahead, drop a note, your opinion or whatever you think in the comments, and let me know. It's gonna be a while before I do it. So check y'all for watching again. Once again, peace.